Hello, so this video is how to make the elephant ears. Obviously I've done one already, so grab your 4mm hook and your yarn and we're going to make 2 chain, and then into the second chain from the hook we are going to make 6 double crochets. Let's pop that out the way so you can see mine better. So 6 double crochets, this works just as well as a magic ring and it's way easier, less fiddly, she says, catching the yarn. So there's 6, and then I'm going to pull the tail end of that, pull it round. You'll need a stitch marker. So we're going to join in the first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in the first double crochet that we made, and we're going to increase immediately by doing 2 double crochets into that first stitch. So this stitch marker is going to go into that first stitch there. So 2 double crochets all the way around. Just to get this to the maximum size for the ear. So hopefully so far you've seen the body and the head, and this is the ear video, and then we've still got the legs and the tail to do. I should be able to do them in one video, and then I'm going to show you how to sew it all together as well. So you'll find them all in the same playlist. So to join for round 3, same principle of Amigurumi, we're just going to go straight round. So that's the first stitch of round 3, and then we're going to do 1 stitch into each stitch round. So you should have 12 stitches going round. I'm plain yarn chicken. I should have enough. That's famous last words. And it's great, this wool. It's from Poundland. It's really versatile. Quite a thick crochet cotton. I'm talking now, and what am I doing? That's it. 1 in each one. And that's the beauty of crochet. It's so easy to unravel a mistake. So this is round 3. And with the ears, they don't need any stuffing. You just tap them flat and then bend a little bit round. So on to round 4. We are going to increase on this next round, and we're going to increase by doing 2 stitches, 2 double crochets in this one, 1, 2, and then 1 in the next one. So that's your pattern for round 4. So we do 2, 1, 2, and then 1. 1, 2, and then 1. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause my video and I'll meet you back at the stitch marker. So the pattern is 1, 2 and 1. So that's the end of our round 4. So round 5, 6 and 7 is just 1 double crochet into each stitch round. So remember, you need 18 stitches per round, and we've got 1 double crochet in each stitch going round. So this is round 5. So I'm going to meet you at the stitch marker at the end of round 7. So I'm at the end of round 7. So for round 8, we need to join, pop your stitch marker on, and then we're going to double crochet 2 together for our decreasing. So in and round and through all 3. Now I'm just gonna go back because I shouldn't have gone into that first one. What we need to do is double crochet 2 together there. That's your first stitch. I apologise for that. So this round is double crochet 2 together and then 1 double crochet. So sorry for that confusion. Double crochet 2 together and then 1 double crochet. So by the end of this round you will have 12 stitches. Double crochet 2 together and 1. And this is the last round for the ear. Obviously you need to make 2. But it's quite a simple process. Double crochet 2 together and then 1. So what we need to do now is fasten off with quite a long tail that we need, because we need to sew this on. So I could take the stitch marker out and I can fasten that through. I'm going to do a different video at the end that shows you how to sew all the pieces on. But if you want to go ahead and do it yourself, it's sewn on to round 16 of the head. So you can count up from this very tip here to round 16, and it goes curved, and I'm just giving it a little curve. A kind of bit of a mouse shape as well, isn't it? Anyway, so that's where it goes, but I will do a sewing video at the end. So I'll see you for the next one, which is going to be the legs.